YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to do something so crazy, something I never thought that I would do. First off, that's wasting money. Alright, I don't like wasting money, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. Feel me? This is an experiment that I'm gonna do, but do not try this at home. Do not try this anywhere. Don't try it, don't do it, just don't. Alright, but guys, right before we get into this video, please subscribe to my second channel. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Link is down in the description below. Click that link, it's gonna take you over to my second channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. Also, you wanna copy 26 King Wavy do-rag, 26 King Wavy merch. That is also linked down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. When you get to the website, anything you purchase off that website, use discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your purchase. So guys, I'm scared, man. Alright, I'm not even matching. I got this shirt on, I got this blue do-rag on. I'm scared, man. Y'all ready for this? I'm not. Let's get it, man.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Whew. Okay, so guys, we are in the bathroom currently. I'm gonna show you what oil I'm using. Avocado oil. Y'all see it. So I'm gonna pour this whole thing on my head, man. You already seen in the title. Y'all know what this gonna be about, man. Let's get started. There you go. I can't get this do-rag dirty, so let me just take the do-rag off. I need a cut, man. I need a cut. But you know me, I don't care. Whew. Let's get it. Okay, so guys, if you don't already know what I'm doing, I'm gonna take this whole bottle and I'm going to pour it on my head. Not pour it, but like kind of like apply everything to my head. Just to show you guys what happens when you use a whole bottle of oil. Is this healthy? I should have did my research, man. Wish me luck. Before we do it, let me see. Okay. Just do a quick weight check. Alright, just in case I lose my waves, y'all already know how I was looking, alright, so let me take my watch off. I'm scared, y'all. Don't judge me. Oh my God. I'm actually gonna wash my hair after this. Today's wash day, so. Guys, don't apply this much oil to your hair, man. Oh my gosh. What's happening to it though? I don't know. Is my hair getting shiny? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. Whew.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Alright y'all, that's it for this video. My right eye acting weird, I don't know. Is it bad to have oil in your eyes or something? Avocado oil, I think. Is it bad to have avocado oil in your eye? But y'all, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'm dripping, man. I'm dripping oil all over the place. My face messed up. All that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop that. Oh, God. Leave a like, comment if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. I'll see you guys in the next video. I can wash this out my hair.